In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Miro, the powerful visual workspace platform that aids in innovation and collaboration. Let's dive right in and make your journey to using Miro seamless and easy to understand. First things first, we need to access the Miro platform. Head over to Miro's website and proceed to their login page. Once you're there, you'll notice several options to sign in. For this guide, we'll be using the email login option, so go ahead and click on Continue with Email. This action will prompt you to enter your email credentials, ensuring a secure login to your account. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you can see all your existing boards. For today, we'll focus on working with an already established board. Do you see the board you'd like to work on? Excellent. Click on it to open it. This will give us the canvas we need to explore Miro's versatile tools. Once your board is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left. You'll see a variety of icons, one of which resembles a letter T. This is the text icon. By clicking on it, you activate the text tool, which allows you to add written content to your board. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, let's bring some text onto your board. Click and drag anywhere on the board to create a text box. This is where you can type whatever information or notes you need to add. Whether it's a brainstorming idea or the setup of a project plan, typing in this text box will help organize your thoughts effectively. Now let's talk about customizing your text. It's crucial that your text stands out and suits the theme of your board. You can change the text size to make certain points more prominent or minimize others that aren't as important. Find the text size option in the toolbar and adjust as needed to fit your stylistic preferences. Moreover, Miro offers a variety of fonts to choose from. Perhaps the standard font doesn't fit your project's tone. Simply browse through the font options and select the one that best matches your theme. It can add personality and clarity to your board. Finally, there's the option to change the font style. From bold and italics to underlined text, these features help emphasize key points and organize your content visually. By utilizing different styles, you're able to guide the viewer's eye and highlight the most critical parts of your board. With these tips and techniques, you're now equipped to effectively use Miro to its fullest potential. This guide is just the starting point. With practice, you'll find even more ways to tailor Miro to your needs, unleashing your creativity and productivity like never before. Happy Miroing!